Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, which is already open and visible on my screen. So once the content that you want to capture is visible, all you will need to do is hold, or actually press, the power button and volume down at the same time. So press, get the flash after a moment, and you get this pop-up, which is your screenshot with edit and share options, which do disappear on their own after a moment. So once this pop-up disappears, you can find the captured screenshot in your gallery application. There we go. Let's disregard this. So normally you would be in the Photos tab, which will show you the screenshot. You can see it right here. But if you're trying to find it later on down the line, it might be easier to go into your albums. And in albums, you will find a screenshot album. Oh, it is cutting out the text, but you can see right now, full name. And you can see this is the screenshot I have captured. Now, I also want to point out, you won't be always able to capture everything on the screen. There are different applications that will be blocking it for either security purposes or cunty reasons, because they just feel like they have too much power. Like this piece of shit right here. There we go. So this one is the bad one that does whatever it wants without ever even having an account with it. It doesn't require you to confirm any kind of terms of service or use. It just does whatever it wants. As you can see, sub doesn't allow screenshots. Well, great, I didn't ask you what you're going to be allowing me to do on my own device. So what you can do with this piece of shit is do this and uninstall, and then download a different application that actually doesn't hinder you. For instance, you will find something in Revents definitely that is named the same way, but isn't working the same way. So that's one thing. But other applications that will block it would be apps, for instance, like bank accounts. Now, those are more justifiable as they do hold your money, and some of this information would be better if some users that shouldn't have access to it wouldn't be able to see into. So that's basically what would be preventing at that point. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.